Happy New Year, friends and loved ones. As we celebrate this new year with blazing lights in the skies above, may we constantly thank God for another year to do better and love better, to walk in His glory and to do His will and not our own, to share our festivities, food, and love with our neighbors, whomever they may be. We give thanks for our food, shelter, drinks, health, although we may have our highs and our lows, of course. In our relationships, we are alive on this side of the grave. Guardian angels guide the way as we walk in it. Warring angels fight our battles that we cannot see. Make sure to thank them and our Creator for their help. Let us continue to read the Word and talk to our Father, which art in heaven, above all heavens, and sits on a throne waiting to bless us, and not to zap us with lightning, but with love. Let us continue to keep our innocence and purity in Jesus. The world has nothing to offer us. We are not of this world. Be glad, and look to the hills from whence cometh our help. Be strong and of good courage. Let not your hearts be troubled. God's got this. He can handle whatever comes your way. You can't see Him, but He's there. Lean on Him in all your ways. Acknowledge Him, and He will direct your path. Continue to communicate with Yeshua Jesus and do His communion. You can do it anytime, not just in church. As many times as you do it, think of Him and bless and thank Him. I decree and declare your 2026 is blessed beyond measure, and that your health, wealth, homes, relationships, jobs, bank accounts, and families are covered by the blood of Yeshua Jesus. Amen. Love, Rev Essie. God bless you.